त्राहिमा मेरे भाइयों और उनकी बहनों, स्वागत है उन सभी का पोकेमॉन सोर्स के फर्स्ट एपिसोड में। ठीक है, ये फर्स्ट एपिसोड है और मैं ट्राई करूँगा ये गेम को पूरा कंप्लीट कर लूँ और तुम लोग भी खेलते रहना मेरे साथ साथ। मैंने इस गेम की लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है, तुम चाहो तो वहाँ से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। तो अभी ये जो इंट्रो है ये हमको बता रहा है कि गेम किन किन एमुलेटर में कंपेटेबल है, तो वही सारी चीज़ें बता रहे हैं। लेट्स जस्ट स्किप इट। हो जा भाई स्किप। चलो ठीक है। बाय द वे ये गेम वाइट्रॉन ने बनाया है, वो मेरा दोस्त है। ठीक है, तो हाँ उसने बनाया है। उसके चैनल की लिंक भी नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा। ठीक है, तो या तुम उसका चैनल भी चेकआउट कर सकते हो, उसको सपोर्ट कर सकते हो ताकि वो फ्यूचर में ऐसे गेम बनाता रहे। ऑल राइट, सो गेम स्टार्ट हो गया ना। हाँ, आई एम नॉट एन ऑर्डिनरी किड एंड आई वॉज नॉट born into a ordinary family either. They are my parents. They seem like normal people, don't they? भाई तेरी मम्मी पापा के भाई ज़ॉम्बी वॉम्बी है क्या भाई? तीन तीन पैर है क्या भाई? सही तो लग रहे हैं, फिर भी पूछ रहा है बंदा। ठीक है भाई। My parents were leaders of the Sierra Mafia in Upest. They were influencing the politics, economy and had all the power in the region. Okay. ठीक है। One day a child was born. That was me. Okay. उस बच्चे का नाम ऐशर था। However, things usually are not as simple as that. When I was born, my fate was already chosen for me. My parents wanted me to be organization's future leader and make it powerful enough to take over the world. Sounds like a weird drama. I know, however, it was not. Slowly, as I grew up, they started having more and more differences. They were working on a science project together, which in fact could have given them domination. However, my father thought it was too dangerous. He wanted to ditch the research, whatever it was, it must have been terrifying. But my mother had different plans and kept on with it. They got so interfering to them that they ended by divorcing and grew up with my father. ठीक है, I grew up with my father. ठीक है. He thinks mother is a lunatic and should not see her. The organization they once operated together is now in my mother's full control. After the divorce, my father was forced to leave the team and he took me with himself as well to protect me from my mother's delusions. Even after all of this, my father still sticked around in the shadows to see how things are. ठीक है, मतलब वो वहाँ पर घुसपैठा का काम कर रहे थे, ऐसा तुम कह सकते हो। He realized its true potential and threat it possesses, and thus decided to take down Sierra once and for all. He does not want to involve me to leave me out of danger. All right. Sounds weird, right? मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा like बहुत ज़्यादा, चलो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत ही ज़्यादा, but that's how it goes. Some people believe that someone's fate is set and whatever they do, life drifts them back to it. Some parents want to make their children fulfill their own selfish dreams. That's just how it is. How do you think about destiny? देखो, it depends on your action. You can't change it. देखो, destiny. It depends on your actions. You can't change it. What do you think? Well, जैसा मुझे लगता है कि हाँ, it depends on our actions. Yup, actually. You can change it with your actions, huh? Yup, of course. Interesting idea. Whatever the truth is, I will prove that life is not as straightforward as some people think it is. Oh my god, भाई graphics देख रहे हो तुम? कितने सही लग रहे हैं ना? Pytron presents Part 2 Pokemon Source. ये by the way गेम completed है, ठीक है? Asher, wake up, उठ जाओ. This sleepyhead. This boy. Asher, wake up already. I called you like a million times. उठ गया मैं. I already told you. If you can't wake up by yourself, then I will have to wake up you. But I don't think you would like that. नहीं, मैं उठ गया, ठीक है. Come join me in the living room. The broadcast is about to start. You know the one with Mr. Ivo? Mr. Ivo कौन है? प्रोफेसर होंगे, चलो ठीक है. You met her with you were little. Sorry, when you were little. अच्छा, okay. I will be waiting downstairs. ठीक है, मैं भी आ रहा हूँ. बट यहाँ पे कंट्रोल्स आ चुके हैं, मैं फास्ट कर लेता हूँ. एंड ऑप्शंस भाई क्या है ये? अरे ये तो वही है, सॉरी. लाइक मेरे पे अभी कोई पोकेमॉन नहीं है, इसमें मेगा वॉल्यूशंस है शायद, आई एम नॉट डैम श्योर बट है, ठीक है, मज़ा आएगा, मतलब टोटली फन है भाई. ओके डैड, आई एम हियर, आई होप इट विल बी वर्थ वेकिंग अप. Definitely, son. She told me that she told me that this will be a very important interview. If you say so. So what will this be about? She didn't specify it, however, she wanted both of us to watch it, especially you. Huh? Me? What's so special about me? Beats me. But there must be a very good reason. ओ भाई, अरे ये है क्या? ये तुमको किन प्रोफेसर की जैसे दिखती हैं? लाइक व्हाट डू यू थिंक? हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द वर्ल्ड ऑफ पोकेमॉन. माय नेम इज़ आइवो. लेट्स जस्ट स्किप इट बिकॉज व्हाई नॉट. ऑलराइट, हो गया स्किप. और this event is called the Eclipse Tournament. Okay, it's an international tournament in which anyone from anywhere in the world can participate in. What's special about the event is that it does not require trainers to collect badges or anything. If you want to qualify, listen carefully. All trainers need to reach Amor City Hupests Special. When you are there, you need to find the Amor Sports Center. Inside, you can register yourself for the grand tournament and take your first step to sweet victory. Once you are done registering, you can freely train and take your time until the tournament day. The registration time is 3 days from today. The championship starts 15 days later. Thank you all for your attention. I hope we will have many contestants and viewers. Good luck, trainers. अब मतलब हमको ह्यूपेस्ट सिटी जाना है या ऐसा कुछ? अ टूर्नामेंट, हाँ? इज दिस वाई शी वॉन्टेड यू टू वॉच द प्रोग्राम? कुड इट बी? हाँ, it's a message from Evo. Jackson, I hope you and Asha have watched the big announcement. So what do you think about it? I was actually thinking about Asha joining the competition. It would be a great opportunity. I know you are not a fan of Pokemon fights, but I think Asha would join it too lot. Please reply as soon as possible. I should have known. So it really is about that? Dad, I have asked already, but why? Don't you like Pokemon battles? That's not a problem. Discuss now, young man. Do you want to join the tournament? Maybe for your future, it would be very beneficial. So you wanna go, right? Yeah, I would love to. Good, that's my boy. Okay, tomorrow we will head off to लॉन्सिया सिटी, सॉरी लैंसियो, भाई क्या नाम है इसका? लांसिया टाउन, ठीक है भाई, लैंसिया सियो. अरे भाई छोड़ो. दैट्स वेयर मिस्टर आइवो's lab is. She will help you start off easily. Until then, I will do some work related things. I will in my room. Oh, and don't stay up too late. We are heading off early. ठीक है, तो हमको शायद ह्यूपेस्ट टाउन जाना है, ठीक है. Many hours later, I should sleep up a bit. Tomorrow will be doing big day. सो जाऊँ? Okay, I'm sleeping right now. हाँ क्या? ओ भाई, बर्थडे गिफ्ट है क्या? अ गिफ्ट, बट इट्स नॉट माई बर्थडे. वेक अप स्लीपी. ओ भाई, मैं पहले से उठ गया. यू आर ऑलरेडी अवेक माई. व्हाट अ प्लेजेंट सरप्राइज. सो व्हाट्स द स्पेशल ओकेजन? I wanted to buy you something useful for your journey. I'm kinda surprised it has arrived in time. What are you waiting for? Come on, open it. ठीक है. Okay. HU phone. Who phone? iPhone का Ultra Pro Max version. Thanks Dad, I love it. I'm glad you do. You can do some cool things on it. Be sure to check it when you have some time to spare. Anyway, I will head out to the dock. I called a friend. He will take us to Lansio city town. Bhai, don't keep us waiting. आ रहा हूँ मैं, रुको. अरे भाई रुको. अरे रे. तो बॉयज़ यही था आज का गेम प्ले। भाई वीडियो देखो 10 मिनट की रखते हैं, ठीक है, ज़्यादा लंबी नहीं करनी है, ठीक है। तो या दैट इज़ इट फॉर टुडे। होप करता हूँ कि हम लोग को पोकेमॉन सोर्स गेम अच्छा लगा होगा। भाई नहीं लगा तो वी कांट बी फ्रेंड्स ब्रो, वी कांट बी फ्रेंड्स, ठीक है। तो मेरे को शायद आगे जाना है, बट ना, मैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में जाएगा। सो या तब तक ले टेक केयर, बाय बाय एंड पीस आउट।